Hi friend. Intersect is one of the most underused operations in SQL. When it works, it's simple and it's super elegant. But it does not always work. Today I will show you when you can use it, how you can use it, and when you need to switch to a join instead. Let's say we want to analyze customer orders from 2012 and 2013. Specifically, which customers ordered in both years and how much did they spend each year. If you just need to know which customers ordered in both years, Intersect is perfect. We can just say select customer ID from sales order header, where year of order date is 2012. Now we get the list of our customers in 2012, and then we can simply say intersect, and I will copy and paste the query and adapt it for 2013. Running this query, I have now a list of my customers who ordered in those both years, and duplicates are already removed for us by Intersect. Perfect. To answer the second question, how much did they spend each year, we need to aggregate by the total due amounts. For that, we would have to add a group by our customer ID, and then we need to sum our total due, and let's call this column total due. Running this alone works perfectly fine. We see the customer and the total due within the year. Let me copy over the logic to the second part and run the query. Now we suddenly only have one row left. Why is that? Intersect only returns the rows which are identical, and by chance this customer ordered for the same total due in both years. That's why he's still here in the result set. All the other rows had different total dues, so they are removed. And that's why we can't use the intersect to answer this question. We have to switch to a join. First of all, I copied it over here, and now let's write our join. We have one sales order header 1 and 2, and we will be joining them on the customer ID. We also need to say where the first year is 2012 and the 2 is 2013. This whole thing needs to be grouped by one of our custom IDs, and then we don't need this anymore. And we can then from H1 take the custom ID, as they are both the same. It's not relevant which of the two we take. We want the H1 total due, and we call this total due 2012. And then I copy this over. From H2, we take the total due of 2013. Running this. And this is then our result for the second question. So here's the key takeaway. Whenever you're really interested in duplicates in two datasets, use the intersect function. It's super easy to use. It's simple, clean, and easy to maintain. Whenever you are at the point where you want to add more informations in additional columns to your previously identified duplicates, then you will need to switch to a join. If you feel like you're struggling with the basics of SQL, I have created a free SQL course that you might want to look into. Link is in the description.